How to fix if Instagram stories are not uploading. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you some of the ways on how you can fix if you're not being able to upload stories on Instagram, which could be causing due to multiple reasons. But before we get started, as always, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now let's say the issue over here seems to be that if I open up Instagram, once I open Instagram and I want to upload a specific story, maybe you're not being able to access the photos, or maybe even after accessing the photos, when you tap on the Your Story button, it simply won't upload. This could be happening due to multiple reasons, and there is no certainty that there is only a specific reason behind this. So in order to fix this, the very first thing we will do is we will launch settings. We will go to the option called apps, and here we will simply select Instagram. If you don't find it, then you can also simply use the search box at the top. Tap on Instagram, scroll down, select storage, clear the cache files. If possible, you can also try to clear the data, but keep in mind that clearing the data will remove all of your login information as well. Once you do that, you can come to the permissions tab, and since let's say that when you're uploading it, it's not being able to access the files, you have to allow the files and media permission for Instagram. So select files and media, make sure it is set to allow. You can also set to camera, microphone, or anything as such when you're trying to upload a story, and most likely that will definitely get your job done. If not, sometimes the issue also could be because let's say you've taken a photo which is of a very high resolution format, and sometimes Instagram does not support that. For example, Instagram has a specific size limitation as to what kind of rendering resolution can you upload on your story, so that could be also another specific reason why you're not being to upload it. So in that case, you can just try compressing the quality of the photo or video in order to lower the resolution and re-upload them in that way. Last but not the least, you can try to launch your respective app store. If what I'm saying is all incorrect and not working for you, it could be also due to the application bugs. So open a Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram and check if there is an update button there. If it has, then make sure to update it, because what updating does is that it's going to get rid of all of the bugs and errors. And also, if you're on Android, just a bonus tip is that even after trying all the solutions, you're not being able to fix the Instagram issue. In that case, you can try to use the light version of Instagram, which is also basically called Instagram Lite and offered by the official Instagram company itself. So it is not a third-party app that you need to rely on. It is the light version of Instagram by official company themselves. So you can try this out if none of the solutions helped you. Hopefully this video at least gave you some insights on as to how you can fix if you're not being able to upload stories on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.